In episode 7, I showed you why email marketing is one of the most powerful assets in your online business. Today we go deeper, we go practical. I'm going to show you exactly how I set up MailerLite, how I segment my list, how I create my email templates, when to send your emails, and how to read the metrics that actually matter. By the end of this episode, you have everything you need to start sending emails that convert. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Mai. This is episode 8 of 0 to Thousands Building from Scratch. If you haven't watched the episode 7 yet, go and watch that first because I explained what email marketing is, why it matters, and the 5 types of email marketing every online business needs. And today is the practical side, inside the platform, step by step. I created a brand new MailerLite account just for this episode so I can show you exactly how to set everything up from scratch. Let's get started. Let's assume you already create your account inside MailerLite. It's super easy. I will leave the link below. Before you import a single subscriber, you need to do one thing first. Set up your groups. This is the most important step that most beginners skip, and skipping it creates a mess you will spend months trying to clean up. Here's why groups matter. In my business, I have different freebies and products. As an example, I choose to show 2 freebies and 1 product. And I just uploaded 3 to 10 leads for each list to illustrate. The leads blueprint, the sales blueprint, and now the money prompts. Each freebie attracts a different type of person with a different interest. And when I email them, I want to send the right message to the right person. That is what groups allow me to do. So before we do anything else, go to the left sidebar and click groups. Then click the button create group. Name each group after the freebie or product it represents. In my case, I created lead blueprint, sales blueprint, and the money prompts. Pro tip, I always name my CSV file downloaded from my store with the same name as the freebie. So when I upload it, I immediately know which group it belongs to. No confusion, no mistakes. Create all your groups now before moving to the next step. Now that your groups are set up, it's time to import your subscribers. Go to subscribers in the left sidebar, click the button add subscribers, then click import subscribers. Now here's something important. On StanStore, the store I use, you can download your leads by product. This is how I keep my list segmented from the very beginning. Each product has its own list, each list goes into the right group. If you use beacons.io, you can also download your leads by product, same process. So I downloaded my CSV file from StanStore, uploaded here in MailerLite, and now I need to match the columns. On the left side, you will see the column names from your CSV file. On the right side, under belongs to, you match them to the correct field. Name goes to name, email goes to email, product goes to product. The most important fields to match are name and email. Name is critical because it allows you to personalize every single email you send. When someone reads an email that starts with their name, it immediately feels personal. And personal emails convert. Now at the bottom, you will see choose group. This is where you select the group that match the list you are uploading. I am uploading the money prompts list, so I select the money prompts group. Click finish import, and your subscribers are now inside MailerLite organized by group. Ready to email, ready to segment, ready to convert. So let me tell you why the segmentation system is so powerful. When someone buys Threads Formula from me, they go into the Threads Formula group. That means I will never accidentally send them a promotional email trying to sell them Threads Formula again, because they already bought it. Instead, I can send them emails about the money prompts or business automator, products they haven't bought yet. This is the difference between an email list that feels annoying and one that feels genuinely helpful. You are always sending the right message to the right person at the right time. And the cool part, inside MailerLite, you can study your metrics by group. You can see which segment of your audience engages more, which email templates perform best, and which campaign needs improvement. This is how email marketing actually works when you do it properly. Now let me show you something that saves me so much time every single week. My email templates. In episode 7, I covered the 5 types of emails every online business needs. Welcome email delivered immediately when someone downloads your freebie. Value email, no pitch, builds trust. Promotional email, promotes your products with a story first. Broadcast email, one-off emails like promote your videos or announcements. Last chance email, short urgency emails when a promotion is ending. What I do is create a template for each one of these emails inside MailerLite. So when I need to send an email, I open the template, replace the text, and send. No starting from scratch, no wasting time on design, just replace and send. Here's how to create your template. Go to Campaigns in the left sidebar, click Create Campaign. You will see different options. Regular campaign, A/B test, and many others. As a beginner, start with a regular campaign. Click Regular Campaign, then you get to Email Design. Here you can choose from existing templates or start from scratch. I always start from scratch because I like to keep my emails clean and minimal. Click Start from Scratch, click Choose. Now let me show you what my value email templates look like. A few things I want you to notice here. The subject line address a common problem my audience has immediately. No introduction, straight to the point. The preview text, it's not what you think, immediately creates curiosity so people want to click. This line is so important. Your email must grab attention right there before they even open. Inside the email, no pitch anywhere in the body, one specific insight, a real personal story, ends with a question that invites to replies, and the PS line does the soft sell naturally at the end. And in the very bottom of every single email, this is something I keep it in all my templates, my footer with all my links, my YouTube channel, my socials, all my products, everything's in the footer of every single email. And trust me, people click those links. Now I will not go through creating every single template here because there are amazing creators on YouTube who go really deep on email design. Search for the specific type of email you want to create and learn from them. Or if you are on my email list, you can see all my real emails in action. Every promotion, every value email, every broadcast, all live in your inbox. But the key message here is create a template for each of your 5 email types. Save them, and every time you needed to send an email, you just replace the text inside. This saves so much time, I promise you. I may make a video about how to build a template for each type of email. If you want that video, comment below. Before we get to the metrics, let me give you the most important tips I have learned about writing emails that actually convert. Tip 1, write like you're texting one person. Never write to your list, write to one specific person. Imagine that one subscriber sitting on their phone, reading your email during their lunch break. Write to that person. When your email feels personal, people respond. When it feels like a broadcast, people ignore it. Tip 2, your subject line is everything. If your subject line does not make people stop scrolling their inbox, nothing else matters. The best subject line sounds like a text from a friend. My best performing subject line ever was "Okay, I caved." 6% open rate. It sounds human, it creates mystery, it makes you want to know what happened. Tip 3, get to the point fast. You have about 3 seconds before someone decides to keep reading or close the email. Never start with, "I hope this email finds you well." Start with something that makes them lean immediately. Tip 4, one email, one idea. Every email should be about one thing, one topic, one lesson, one offer, one CTA. When you try to say everything in one email, people remember nothing. When you say one thing really well, people act on it. Tip 5, give value before you ask for anything. For every promotional email you send at least 2 to 3 value emails first. Build trust before you ask for the sell. The more you give for free, the easier it is to sell when the time comes. Step 6, keep it short. Most of your emails should be readable in under 2 minutes. Short paragraphs, white space, easy to read on the phone. If your email looks like a wall of text, people will not read it. Tip 7, always end with one clear CTA. One action, one link. Never give people multiple options because when you give too many choices, people choose nothing. Tip 8, your PS line is prime. Use it for your most important message. A reminder of a CTA, a personal note, a deadline. Never waste the PS line. And tip 9, send consistently. The biggest mistake beginners make is only emailing their list when they have something to sell. Your subscribers forget who you are. Show up consistently with value, so when you do have something to sell, they already trust you. Now let me talk about timing. Inside MailerLite, you can schedule exactly when your email goes out. This is very particular to your audience. It depends on where your subscribers are located. Most of my audience is based in the US and Europe, so I schedule my emails at a time that works for both. End of the afternoon in Europe and morning time in the US. And here's something I learned from studying my own metrics. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are my best days. My open rates on those days are consistently high than any other day. So those are the days I send my most important emails. Test your own audience. Check which days have the highest open rates. Then use those days for your most important campaigns. Now resending to non-openers, wait 48 to 72 hours after you first send. Then inside MailerLite, you can filter by people who didn't open and resend the exact same email with a complete different subject line. Same email body, new subject line. That's it. Because if they didn't open the first time, the subject line was the problem, not the content. And why 48 to 72 hours? Because some people are just busy. If you resend too fast, you look desperate. If you wait too long, they forget the context. Send email day 1, wait 48 hours, and then resend to non-openers with new subject line. After that, leave it alone. After every email you send, go to campaigns and click on the email you sent. Here you will see all your metrics. Open rate, how many people opened your email. Good is 30 to 50%. Low, fix your subject line. Click rate, how many people clicked a link inside your email. Good is 3 to 5%. Low, fix your CTA or add more value before they ask. Unsubscribe rate, how many people left your email list. Keep it below 0.2%. If it is high, you are emailing too much or selling too much. Spam rate, how many people market you as a spam. Keep it below 0.02%. High, stop sending immediately and diagnose the problem. This is the most serious metric. Deliverability rate, how many emails actually reached the inbox. Good is 98% and above. Low, clean your list and make sure you're using MailerLite, which has excellent deliverability. Bounce rate, emails that could not be delivered. Hard bounce means the email address does not exist. Remove this immediately. Keep your bounce rate below 2%. And the last tip before we close, cleaning your list. Most people never do this and it's quietly destroying their results. Here's when to clean your list. Every 3 to 6 months, routine cleaning. Remove subscribers who have not opened a single email in the last 90 days. These cold subscribers are hurting your open rate and deliverability without you realizing. When your open rate drops below 20%, this is your first warning sign. Too many cold subscribers are dragging your average down. When your bounce rate goes above 2%, remove hard bounces immediately. Never let them accumulate. When your spend rate goes above 0.02%, emergency, clean your list immediately. Before a big promotion, always clean before you send a campaign. You want your emails reach real engaged people, not cold subscribers who will ignore it or mark it as a spam. And here's the most important thing I want you to remember about email lists. A smaller engaged list is always better than a cold big list. 500 subscribers who open every email will make you more money than 5,000 subscribers who never open anything. Quality over quantity always. That's it. That is the episode 8 of 0 to Thousands Building from Scratch. Here's what you need to do right now. Step 1, create your MailerLite account, link in the description. Step 2, set up your groups before importing anything. Step 3, download your subscriber list and import them into the right groups. Step 4, create a template for each of your 5 email types. Step 5, schedule emails on your best performing days. Step 6, check your metrics 48 hours after every send. In Step 7, clean your list every 3 to 6 months. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in your online business. And now you have the complete system to use it properly. Now go and send me your first email. Let me know if it is worth it to open. And if this episode gave you value, hit the thumbs up. It really helps this series reach more people who need it. And subscribe to this channel because episode 9 is coming and we are going even deeper. See you in the next one. Bye!